Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. A living organism that feeds on organic matter.
The animal ran through the woods fast. The animal ran through the woods fast. Every animal deserves to be treated well. Every animal deserves to be treated well. She rescued an animal from the shelter. She rescued an animal from the shelter. The animal exhibit was fun for kids. The animal exhibit was fun for kids. The animal kingdom is diverse and vast. The animal kingdom is diverse and vast.
This marks the conclusion of this episode. If you enjoyed the content, we kindly invite you to share it with your friends, classmates, or colleagues and consider subscribing to our channel for future video updates. Thank you.